Hello, hi, greetings of the day. I am before you to unbox and show you Masterminds CA Inter Group 1 materials. And this is the power pack which is having a lot of treasure inside of it. The research based materials that Masterminds are providing to the students. And right now Masterminds is providing materials in this box which is nicely packed, having a gorgeous look, a pilfer proof pack. And without waiting any further, let me unbox it for you. And by the way, do you like unboxing? Do you watch unboxing videos? And for me, unboxing is the most happiest and pleasant things. And I hope you also feel the same. And without any further delay, let me unbox it for you. Let me take the knife, cut the thread. Yes, and yes, let me cut like this. Yes. Yes, now we have the treasure before us. Very happy to look at these materials. Now, let me show you. Yes, we have the treasure before us. Let me open it and show you. Nicely packed. Very good design. And now I have the first book, that is accounting. This is accounting material, and this is accounting material for Group 1, book number 2. And we have a special book for accounting standards, and we have another book for accounting here. And yes, this is company law. Again, company law. And we have another book related to other laws. And this is law CRD solutions. And this is cost accounting book. Oh, nicely ordered. And again, this is another book on cost accounting. And we have another material on cost accounting. And this is cost accounting CRD solutions. And we have cost accounting theory, a special book for cost accounting theory. And here is the book, the most important, income tax. Another book for income tax. Income tax, another material. Oh, we have 3 materials for income tax. And the next one, yes, this is also income tax material. And we have GST main material here. We have GST main material for another book. And we have GST CRD solutions. And GST fast track material to quickly revise the concepts. And another very important book, that is question papers, past exam question papers book. In this book, you find all the past exam question papers. So, I hope you definitely enjoyed this video of unboxing Masterminds Group 1 materials. At Masterminds, we always provide the most comprehensive materials to the students to make them successful. And our materials are very comprehensive and a one-stop solution to cater the needs of all types of students. Happy learning, all the best. Thank you.